Hello everyone, here is BK42 and welcome back to another e-bike review. Today I want to show you the Windgoo B20, which is an affordable and portable folding electric bike. The Windgoo B20 comes in 40-inch tires, 350-watt hub motor, 36 volts 6 Ah battery and weighs about 24 kilograms. Setting up this bike is very easy, as you can see in this video here, and just be aware that the battery comes almost empty. Talking about the battery, it takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge this 36 volt 6 Ah battery. The battery cannot be removed and must be charged using this little charging port here. They claim 21 kilometers range. Of course, I will be testing the real range in this video. And the maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour, and that is the legal limit. The brakes are good. They are mechanical brakes with 106mm rotors, and they stop the bike shortly when used. There are motor inhibitors that cuts the engine power as soon as the brakes are used. The integrated rear brake light and the front lights are great. They are connected to the main battery, and if you pull the brakes, you can see it comes on. To turn the lights on, you press and hold the red button for 3 seconds and the light comes on, and obviously press and hold to turn it off. The lights are powerful and the front LED can be seen during the bright days. There is no LCD display and no pedal assistance. The display to the right of the bar shows the battery status, and there is also the throttle. The throttle only works after you start cycling. In other words, you need to start pedaling to activate the motor. Once the bike's moving, you can use the throttle all the time. The green button is the cruise control trigger, and it really works well. It can be activated at any speed. If you don't want to use the electric on it, you can just pedal like an usual bike, but the 1-speed gear is quite limited, so don't expect much of pedaling in this bike. Pedaling with the electric on will give us some extra range for sure. There is no electric horn, but it comes with a small bell though. The max recommended load is 120 kilograms, and it fits riders from 145 to 185 centimeters. In the rear wheel is the 350-watt motor, which is a good size for such a folding bike, normally with 250 watt. It definitely helps climb the hills, but it's not that strong. The B20 is IP54 waterproof certified, but I wouldn't use it on the heavy rain. Folding this bike is easy. Fold the plastic pedals, then unlock the main fold quick release and pull it up to release the locking mechanism, and from there you can fold the frame. Put the kickstand out of the way, unlock the handlebar locking ring and flick the main bars down and they will just fold. Remove the saddle if you need it super compact. The saddle is comfortable and the kickstand isn't bad either. It firmly supports the bicycle. The B20 comes with a pair of plastic fenders and all the assembling tools you need. After a couple of days using this bike, always pedaling to improve the range, the real range for me is about 16 and 17 kilometers. I'm 178 centimeters and I weigh about 8 kilograms, so the range might change for other riders. I think overall it is a good bike if you are looking to commute or looking to nip around to the shops. I would love to be able to raise the saddle higher and raise the bars up and down as well. The build quality is good, but there are a few areas which it could be improved on, such as the saddle tube. For the money that you are paying for what you're getting, you have to accept some compromise somewhere down the line. Being a foldable e-bike, the portability is the great pro of this bike. You can definitely take it anywhere, even inside small car trunks like this one. You can buy the B20 at windgoo.co for 489 euros. It is very fast shipped and arrives very shortly after ordering it. It comes with a 2 years warranty, and if you change your mind or something isn't quite right, Windgoo offers free returns and exchange on all orders. That's it for today. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Comment, like and subscribe. Cheers!